If you are a small, medium, or large content creator, you need to have this website like right now. Not only will you get your own personally branded storefront, but you'll also be able to earn reoccurring income simply by sharing product recommendations with your audience. Most creators don't have a website, and that's how they end up failing and missing out on a lot of opportunities and a lot of money. So if you don't want to be one of those creators, then you need to make sure that you're staying into the end of this video. What's up, money makers? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chanel, and here we talk about all things money. I am so excited to introduce you guys to this new website that you can use to help you make additional income and also have a beautiful storefront where your audience can find all of your products and everything that you have to offer all in one place. So I'm going to show you how you're going to effortlessly earn money and create a beautiful branded storefront within minutes. Let's jump into my computer. This is really a game changer for all creators. Waitword makes it super easy to customize your storefront so that when your audience clicks on your link, it feels and it looks like you. It's super simple to add the products to your storefront, and then all you're left to do is share and promote it to your audience. Plus, Waitword pays on a weekly basis. So a lot of other affiliate marketplaces make you wait for 30 days before you can get your funds, but you'll have access to the money that you make every 7 days. We're going to get started by creating our URL, and I'm going to show you how to get started with creating your store and adding products. So this is what your website looks like until you customize it. You want to add in your logo, your photos, change up the layout to how you desire, add the colors that you want so that when your audience comes and they click on your link, it feels and it looks like you. Now we just need to add the products to our store. Go through the list of categories, and there are so many great brands and different products that you can choose from sunscreen to baby clothes, gardening, home decor, fashion. There is so much here. So you are bound to find something that you'll be able to share with your audience. And all we have to do is click on the button that says create link. That will automatically add the products into our storefront. And this is how it turns out. Pause for just 1 second. If you've been enjoying this video, what I want you to do is go into the comment section below and comment money and leave me your most recent emoji. Now, this is something fun that we do on this channel, and it helps me be able to interact with as many of you as possible. While you're down there, just go ahead and give this video a like. Okay, back to the information. You see that it has my name, my picture up there, and it just shows my featured product. So there's two different links here. There's our store link, and then there's a link in bio link. This is the link that you will put into your social media pages. And what I really love about this is you're able to add all of your other links that you have. You can link your other websites that you may have, any other shops that you have. Like I have this one that's called Boss Her Up Style Box. You can add that to your link in bio, and you can also add the products directly from your store. So you're going to click on products that we selected are going to show up here. And it also shows you how much you're going to get paid per sale. So $11 per sale, $3 per sale, $9. Anytime someone uses your link to purchase that product, that's how much you're going to earn. Now back to adding it to our store. All we need to do is select the one that we want and then click save. Then the product will be displayed and people can click on it and go directly to your storefront and be able to check out and purchase. Now you can even change the name of the item or how it's displayed in the link in bio or in your collection. Speaking of the collection, I'm going to show you how to create your collection and also add that on display in your link in bio and your storefront. This is where you are going to name a collection and put a short description. Now you need to go through and add those products to your collection. So for fashion and beauty, I'm going to put everything that's related to fashion and beauty. For home and decor, I'm going to put everything that was related to home and decor. And this keeps it very organized, but it also looks like a genuine shop. So when you're shopping on any retail site, they usually have different collections to help people be able to shop and categorize easier. Most of you probably heard of the Amazon Influencer Program or the Amazon Associates Program. However, when I talk to people who have signed up for it, they say that they have like a lot of issues with either setting up their storefront or Amazon will close down your storefront if you're not active or getting commissions. So sometimes those programs could come with a lot of issues. Wayward offers a really great alternative to this. You click on Discover, you're then going to go to the right-hand side where it says Add an Amazon link. Now you're going to go over to Amazon.com, find any product that you want to promote, go up to the URL, copy that, come back to Wayward, and that's where you're going to add that Amazon link. Once you click on create the link, Wayward's going to create a custom link for you. So when you share it, you can earn commissions from that product. Not only that, guys, not only that, then it automatically adds that product over to your storefront. And look at how good this looks. It also brings in the pictures from that Amazon shop onto your store. I can't get over how clean and simplistic this looks. Now you can also add your collection over to your link in bio. And remember, the link in bio is what you share on your social media pages. So people will be able to shop directly from one link. And they will still have all the links to your other websites. And this just makes it easier for you to be able to earn multiple streams of income while you sleep through your one storefront. If you want to increase your sales, you want to go over to data, go down to customers, and this is where you're going to have a list of people who used your link and purchased, and you'll be able to send out emails to keep in touch with them and also to offer different products. So you'll be able to click on export, and when you do that, it's going to open up a file with all of your customers' information on it so that you could grab their emails and share more links with them. So don't walk, run over to Wayward. You need this website. All the information that I mentioned in this video is going to be in the description box as well as in the pinned comment. Now listen, moneymakers, I need your help on something. I need to know, what topics do you want me to cover over on this channel? What are you looking to learn or know about making money online in 2024? Leave me some ideas below. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will meet you in the comment section.